are coming back. The Raps will get a chance to go back to back. We the champ.
Invest your money right in that good oil, in the cannabis. There's the lower trouble. And AI, he's on that watch list. In that bear market, I am an opportunist. One time for your mind tonight. I say the stock goes up, now get your money right. I'm so cold with it. I know the gold really. You got some good money, put some gold in it. Yeah. Homie, you know the place. Don't change the channel, you gon' lose your face. I got that good, all that penny stocks. I'm on YouTube, making the money back. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich, TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money go. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich, TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money work. Stack it up there, make your money work. And when you're sleeping, your money giving birth. In the bull market, I'm a smart dog. I bring it up to you. Check your light stocks. I'm that good guy. I set the record straight. My trading economy is here to elevate. My cannabis stock is how the money smell. This is Rich TV Life following my trail. I'll pick the right trade gold, oil, wheat, yes. I turn a 2 into a 20 like a bench press. Check that flow, though. That's the 2020. They yelling Hail Mary. I'm making hella money. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich, TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money go. Stocks, gold, oil, weed. I'm here to say, don't let your money sleep. Rich, TV, life, stocks. I got the bigs to make your money go. Hell yeah. To all that. Hit me one time. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This report Rich. And I'm peace.
All true. Actually, all very true. It's all true. So, I had ALSC CEO on my show, All Star Health Brands. Nobody wants to pay attention. Nobody wants to buy the stock. Nobody's interested. Bam, goes up 107%. Okay. And then I had Delta 9 on the show, and their stock goes from 40 cents to a high this week of 62 cents. So that's over 50%. That did happen. And then I told you guys about Greenbrier. Shout out to Peter, man, for his pick. This pick is just a gem. An absolute gem. And I don't believe it's done. Told you guys about Greenbrier. It exploded after I told you guys about Greenbrier. GRB, GEBRF. I think it's got legs. I think it's going to go higher. I sold it, made a return. Also told you guys about Captiva Verde Power. Symbol Power, PWR. And wow, Power exploded on Friday too. Thank you, Peter, for Power as well. Another gem from Peter. Wow. So GRB, GEBRF explodes after I talk to you guys about it. And then I tell you guys that some of the same people are involved in Power. And I got in on Power, and then that exploded. And I brought both of those picks to you first. First. I love to bring the picks first. Not second. Not third. Not fourth. But first. Hey, there's Peter. Hey, man, let's bring the CEO on the show, bro. Guys, let's get the CEO on the show. Greenbrier Capital Corp. Let's get the CEO on the show. Let's go. Let's go. Why not, right? Your daughter's looking at you funny. Peter says, it's still got lots of legs. Oh, I think this beauty's got long, beautiful legs. I'm excited. And so I bought Greenbrier, sold it for profit. And then I remember the call. It's almost like a nightmare now, where Peter calls me up and he goes, Rich, see what Greenbrier's doing? And I'm like, oh man, I sold it. And he's like, what? And I was like, yeah, I took a profit. And then the very next day, and Peter's just like, you shouldn't have done that, Rich. I'll never forget his words. He's like, you shouldn't have done that, Rich. I was like, oh, darn. I'm like, well, I'm still holding my power shares. Anyways, on Friday, I got back in. MC says they don't want to drip. They don't want to listen. They're going to drown in the oasis. It's very possible. It's a very big possibility. Wow. Phil says I am now up on Sona 937%. That's ridiculous, bro. Congratulations, man. Wow. Lyndon says too late to get into GRB, you think? Nope. I got back in on Friday. I was live talking about another pick that also went up. LXG. Lexigene. Oh, another beauty. About to get FDA approval for a testing device for COVID as well as other influenza type illnesses. Another beauty that went up after I talked about it. So it seems to be like a trend. All-Star Health Brands, ALST, comes on the show. Nobody shows any interest. Nobody wants to buy the stock. Stock explodes 107% on Friday. It goes from 40 cents when I did the interview to 85 cents. That actually did happen. You can see it. And Delta 9 came on the show, and the stock went from 40 cents, and then he came to our show again, and then it went to 48 cents, and then this week it hit 62 cents. That also did happen. It's true. You could check the videos. And then I brought you guys GEB in Canada on Monday. It was like $1.50 when I brought it. It hit $3, up 100% for the week on Friday. Finished at $2.98. GEBRF, GRB. Thank you, Peter, for the victory. And I hope all of you guys took your profits. Now, if you didn't and you're still holding, I took my profits and then I went back in again. I took my profits and then I went in again. So, I'm ready, man. I'm in. I'm ready. I'm in. I'm ready to go, man. I think we're going to have a big week on Greenbrier. I think there's some big things coming. And I can't wait to have the CEO on the show. I promise you that. Now, Phil, I talked to everybody about Sona first, bro. Where'd you hear about Sona? Did you hear about it here? Because I promise you guys, I talked to everyone about Sona first. On YouTube, I promise you that. Bodog says, when do you think Bitcoin GBC is going to explode? Well, Bitcoin's already exploded since I talked to you guys about it. I mean, Bitcoin was at 4,000. It's now at just under 10,000. It's over 9,000. It was at 95, 9,600 this week. So clearly look at the chart on Bitcoin. You'll see that it's been going up. And I believe GBTC will go up with it. Landon says, you think CloudMD has the potential to get Teladoc value? Teladoc value is just the next level. So not anytime soon. But maybe one day. Yo, Dynamic Beast, what's up, brother? Hope you're having a great weekend, man. Enjoy, my friend. Phil says, got in on February on the first news releases, got Sona at 27 cents. Wow. You had a good entry, bro. Good work, man. Samuel says, should have streamed that SpaceX launch. Amazing stuff, man. I know, actually. I was watching it. So I just was a fan. I didn't want to stream it. I just want to watch it. I'm a big fan of Elon Musk, right? So yeah. SpaceX is pretty interesting. Sukhjinder says ADA is going up crazy. Cryptocurrency. Yeah, I mean, some cryptos are going to go up and down, but for me, the only cryptocurrency I personally trust is Bitcoin. Pluto Mine says gold 2,800, get out. Yeah, well, we got a long ways to go to 2,800. Gold right now has to figure out a way to get to 2,000. You were there? You were physically there watching? Samuel says, how about that CGC loss? Yikes. Yeah, I mean, I don't think that that's really a surprise. Is it a surprise that CGC's lost money? Because they always lose money. So I don't own them, and that's why I don't hold that stock. Because losing money is what they do. Oh, so you were physically there watching, Brent? Yo, that's epic, bro. Did you make a video? Do you have the video? Send it to me, man. Sagjinder says, and thanks for GRB. Hey, my pleasure, man. The best thing you guys can do is take your profits from GRB and join the Trading Academy. I'm going to continue to bring you guys winners. There's no doubt about that. We will continue to bring you winners. Just bringing winners is just what we do. So we've had a very, very good ratio of winners. That's for sure. We could talk about them too. ALST came on our show. They went up 107% on Friday. GRB, we talked about this week as a secret stock. They exploded. AIR, another secret stock I told you guys about, was going to be doing an IPO this week. They exploded. PWR, another company that I told you I bought and I got in early, which is another one of Peter's picks. They exploded on Friday. So I really don't know what else to say, man. I really don't know what else to say. I do like Aphria. I think Aphria at some point is going to explode, and I think that at some point we're going to get in at a really good price. So yeah, I like Aphria too. No, my brother was in Tampa, and I told him about the launch today. It was 2 hours and 20 minutes away. He went and live streamed it. Oh, wow. Jinder says, I'm going to join soon. Hey, man, I would love to work with you, brother. You know, the members that are winning need to understand that the reason why they're winning is that we're able to identify picks. And if we're able to identify picks and you can make more than $200 on a pick, it's only $200 to join the academy. I mean, it's not a lot of money. And to be quite frank, on those picks alone that Peter brought, like I've made thousands on those 2 picks. So that covers an entire year of Trading Academy. And then if you can find 2 people that want to also learn how to make money and trade, then you can trade for free. And if you can find 3 people, you can become an IBO, independent business owner, where you can actually grow and build and create a trading academy. And I think that that is the future, because everybody wants to make money from their phone, especially in 2020 where everybody's stuck at home. Everybody's stuck at home. All over the world, in fact. So we have no idea if things are going to really get better or if it's ever going to be safe again to go outside. So I kind of like the comfort of making money from home. And I believe there's a lot of other people all over the world that want that same opportunity. Infinite Possibility says, I'm super bullish on Believe, approved to sell in Alberta, earnings this Wednesday. Yeah, then why is the stock such trash? Why are they such trash? So, I don't know, man. It's just disappointing. There's a lot of disappointing cannabis stocks. I just don't want to waste my time putting money in stuff that is disappointing. It's just not the way to make money. Those CBDs were okay. Which CBDs? Phil Can says, everyone's stuck at home smoking pot. Yep. But the problem is the cannabis companies are not really, truly, fully able to take advantage of it. Because there's distribution problems and delays. And people want to stay at home because they're getting paid to stay at home. So why work when you can get $2,000 a month just to stay at home? It's a big problem right now. It's a very big problem right now. Right? And then you see what's happening in America right now with the riots. It's just terrible, man. My heart goes out to the families of victims that have been devastated by violence. Really sad to see what happened when you see a police officer put their knee on someone's neck and you see them being recorded saying, I can't breathe. I'm going to die. Let me, I don't want to die. And then he just dies. I mean, we're living in a crazy world right now. But I can imagine it must be dangerous and scary to even be a police officer because there's been all kinds of crazy attacks on police officers. So it's just a crazy time right now. It's a crazy, crazy world we live in. So much safer just to stay at home and trade, to be quite frank. And I believe there's a lot of people that are going to want to do that. And that's what I'm choosing to do, and make videos and be on social media. But we've had quite a lot of really good picks, and I'm very excited about bringing some new picks, better picks. I want to continue to find good picks. And that's really, I'm already thinking about my top 10. Probably going to do it tomorrow, actually. I'm going to start thinking about putting it together today. Yeah. So I'm thinking about top 10 stocks for June. And it's just a tough market to try to figure out. It's a very tough market to figure out. You're very bullish on Zenabis? Yeah, a lot of people say that. I mean, they've come up from 5 cents, so hopefully they can continue this run. We need that. We need them to continue to go much higher for everyone to get whole because there's a lot of money invested in much higher prices in that company. So we need the prices to go much higher. You sent me a video, Brian? Oh, you're a beast, bro. That's what everyone's talking about. It's all over the news. You sent it by email? Where'd you send it to me? Oh, here it is. Content not found. You guys put it on Facebook, right? Yeah, it's not working. The link's not working. I can't take content from anyone else when another social media platform. It has to be original content. It's all good, bro. Don't worry about it. Peter's saying GRB Moldova project will be bigger than last announcement. If you do the math for last estimate, 160 megawatts for 25 years, and compare that to present market cap. Also, don't forget the mega 1,100 housing project in California. Yeah, they've been a beast, man. Dynamic B says, after starting the academy, weekends seem longer now. It's time to just chill and enjoy, man. Saturday's the day, the one day, really, because Sunday we start trading again. Peter says, both Moldova and housing project already financed. Wow, that's big. It's big, Pete. It's a great pick, Pete. What do you think about power, Pete? Had a nice little move there on Friday. What do you think about it? Everybody wonders, like, when I'm holding a stock, like, are you still holding a stock? And I'm like, yeah, obviously. Why would I be selling? Why would I be selling? So the only time I'm thinking about selling, guys, is when a stock goes up. And even when I sold Greenbrier, I felt bad about selling it, but I had to sell it because it was such a good return. And then it went up even higher, and I left money on the table, and it hurt. But then even after I bought it, it went up again, even further. And then Power, the other one that I hold, went up. So I'm just like, wow, thanks to Peter's picks. So Power and GRB both exploded. Then I had ALST on our show. They went up 107% on Friday. And I'm just like, what is going on right now? I had Delta 9 on our show. They exploded. It's unbelievable. Yeah, Pluto Mind says Trulieve is really up. Trulieve is a beast, man. They seem to be opening up like new dispensaries every week. Peter says Power is the next beast, going to $1 easy. And if you own GRB, you'll get 1 share of Power for every 2 shares of GRB when Power hits $1. So yeah, guys. So I have 3,000 shares of GRB and 20,000 shares of Power. So when Power gets to $1, which is phenomenal, my $5,000 will be worth 20 grand, and I'll be getting 1,500 more shares of Power because I have 3,000 shares of GRB. Peter, thank you for helping Scott, man. Peter's been sharing how he trades in Forex with our members, and our members already having phenomenal results using Peter's methods. So thank you, Peter, for sharing and helping members and being so selfless and giving us these picks as well, which I believe, and clearly Peter believes, we both believe, that both Power and Greenbrier, and Power's name is Captiva Verde, both Power and Greenbrier, in my opinion, are both going to go higher. You send it to Gmail for me, Brent? Thank you. Phone's just blowing up here. Hold on one second, guys. Just adding somebody to the, just had another member join here in the academy. I'm just adding to the WhatsApp group. One second. We are growing, folks. We are close to 75 members now in the Trading Academy. And we are, I believe, in 9 or 10 countries now, our team. Hey, thank you, Peter. Have a great weekend with your family, brother. Enjoy. You're fishing on the coast, Scott? Oh, man, I would love to, but you know what? I'm just working, bro. I got to grind, man. I got goals. Grinding. I know there's a lot of fun things to do, but right now I'm just in grind mode, man. Just grinding. So just going to add this new member to this group here. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to up your game in trading, we've got a trading academy. It's growing really fast. We're already now at 75 members. We're going to get to 100 soon. Then we're going to get to 200 and then 300 and 500 and 1,000 and 2,000 and 5,000 and 50,000. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's just put it that way. Yeah, these cities, I've been watching the news about what's going on in America right now. It's really, really sad, man. All the protests and the clashing with the police and stuff. It's I really hope that we can find a way to just kind of calm things down, man. I really do. It's sad. Lyndon says, what do you think power will go up? Well, I bought it at 25 cents. It went to 36.5 cents this week on Friday. Then it came back down to 32.5. I believe it's going to go to at least $1. You heard Peter say that you get shares if you hold until $1. So I think there's a lot of shareholders that will be holding until $1. Did the video come through? Let me check. Oh, there it is, Brent. Facebook. No, it's just a Facebook link. And it doesn't come through. I don't know why. It's really weird. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't think I can share anything from Facebook. It's all good, bro. No worries. Don't worry about it. It's all good, man. But yeah, I think that power is going to go higher. I think that there's a very good chance the power is going to go higher. And I think there's a very good chance that Greenbrier will continue to go higher too. So I got back in and I was immediately up like $700 within the same day after I got in. It's pretty crazy. And power, at one point I was up over $2,000 on that. But I'm not planning to sell, right away. I'm probably going to hold them both for at least a few more days next week. I want to see how high they're going to go because they have momentum and the CEO has a track record of helping his shareholders make money. So I think there's a lot of real money behind this deal and these two deals. Brent says, buy Chainlink, Rich. It's like Intel for computers. It is going to link all this blockchain with the real world. I think it's going to be at least a minimum $300. What's the symbol? What's the symbol, Brent? Yeah, we the North, man. Right there. We the North. We the champs. Everybody's forgetting who the champs are. I've been watching The Last Dance, and it's very nice to reminisce about the Bulls championships, but let's not forget who the champs are of the NBA. Toronto Raptors. They're the NBA champs. And even before the lockout due to the COVID-19, the Raps were on fire. Link is the symbol? Cool, thanks, bro. You think give me a $300 stock, eh? Holy moly. You've been really good with your trading. Link. Interlink. $5 stock. Is this the one? $5 stock, Brent? What's the ticker symbol for power? It's PWR. The name is Captiva Verde in America. I believe the symbol is like CP. Hold on. I'll find it for you. Captiva Verde. Captiva Verde. CPIVF is the symbol in America. CPIVF. And it moved. You could see it moved 36% on Friday. Huge move for Captiva Verde. CPIVF. Twitter, Facebook stock. You think that Twitter and Facebook stocks are going to go up? I'm just thinking about 10 stocks that will go up over the next month. So I'm trying to put together a list. So I think gold's going to go up. So I think I'm going to have some gold stocks on my list. And got some other picks I've got to think about. But yeah, definitely looking for 10 really good companies over the next 30 days. So I'm going to do a top 10 list here. Probably tomorrow. Let's see here. What do I have in mind? What's up, Phil? Yeah, I'll do my top 10 tomorrow. I'm just trying to figure out the momentum in the markets have been really crazy. So I'm just trying to honestly just figure out what is the right time to get in the right stocks, because kind of worried about June because this is when the Q2s are going to start to come out. So this is a really tough time to predict which stocks are going to explode. So I'm going to have to do some real focusing on it today over the next couple hours. Chainlink, crypto ticker Link. Yeah, you really like Chainlink that much, eh? It's like $5, right, Brent? What do I think about biotech stocks? I like biotech stocks. I like anything that has momentum that we can make money with, right? I'm a momentum trader, so I like to look for momentum and ride it. I'm also a value investor, you know, like if I see that there's a company that long term has good potential, I'll buy it and hold too. I don't mind, but I do like momentum trading a lot because I like quick results, right? Quick returns. They're fun. They're the best actually. Instead of grinding and grinding and grinding, I'd rather just get quick results. So just they can compound and accumulate very, very quickly. That's pretty cool, Brent. I'm gonna definitely look into them. Thank you for your pick. You've had a crazy success in the markets. Your picks are amazing, bro. I would love to trade with you in the academy, Brent. I would love it. That $200, bro, that you would be paying to join, you would make that all back in your first couple of days, bro. You think in 3 years they're gonna be $300? Oh, wow, that's crazy. That's pretty wild, man. That's pretty wild. So yeah, so that's kind of like the week in review, guys. We had quite a few picks that we talked about. All of them went up. So even Zoomaway Travel, we did a video with him. He came on our show. Stock went up. It's come down since, which I believe is a buying opportunity. And I think Zoomaway Travel is going to go much higher. If we can get it at 2 cents, even better. So that's like our community stock, guys. That killed it for us last year. Went from 2 cents to 14 cents, 700%. We had members make a killing on it. I believe it's going to do it again. So quite a few companies that we talk about here, a lot of them have done really well. I want to continue that momentum. You think in 3 years it goes from $5 to $300 easily? Whoa. You really believe in it that much, eh? Link. Interlink. $5.58. Okay, let me see something. Let's look at the share structure. Okay, it's got a pink limited yield sign, which is not good. The company has posted limited financial disclosure through the OTC disclosure service. Okay, that's kind of odd. Let's take a look at the share structure. Wow. So 30 million authorized, but only 6 million outstanding shares and 912,000 in the float. Whoa, that's tight. That's tight. That's tight. Do they have any financials? They had some income. Not huge, but Phil Kent says, my secret pick for everyone, PYR, discussion on BNN Bloomberg on Friday. Oh, Brent's saying it's a crypto, not OTC. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of cryptos, man. Other than Bitcoin, that's really my only crypto that I buy. I'm not huge into ICOs and all those other blockchain picks. I already played that game. I'm not a big fan of it right now. PYR. UIR. Pyrogenesis. $1.43, up 10%. Thank you for this pick. Good volume. It's been trending up. Oh, yeah. It's went from 19 cents to $1.43. Crazy move. That's momentum. I like this pick. Where'd you get this pick from? It was on BNN, eh? Thank you for sharing. That's awesome. How high you think it's going to go in a month? Look up Chainlink. Hold on, let me see. Well, in the Trading Academy, I actually get paid in cryptocurrency. I get paid in Bitcoin, so I can buy cryptos. I just keep it in Bitcoin because that's the only one I really trust. So Link is at $10.71. I'm looking at it right now. Thank you for the pick, bro. I'll definitely keep it on my watch list. Bitcoin right now at $9,524. Yeah, I really got to think about what is going to go up over the next month because the market's been really going up strong. So I'm thinking there's going to be a potential crash coming up. I hope it doesn't happen, but there's a chance there's going to be a crash here. So if it happens, we just have to realize, when we're doing these videos that, got to buy at the bottoms, guys. Got to buy at the bottoms. Try to stay in cash. Right now, I'm about 50% cash right now. I went in a little bit on Friday. So we'll see what happens. Phil says a double for sure. Did you buy some, Phil? Yeah, it is a great community, Jonathan. We have a very powerful community here. Everybody's sharing picks and sharing ideas, and that's the whole concept, right? Share ideas, share picks, and make money as a team. That's why I did this when I started. What did I go into? Just join the stream. Well, I've talked about Greenbrier, GRB, GEBRF. I talked about All Star Health Brands, ALST, both of which exploded after I brought them. I talked about Air, another company that I brought that exploded. So there's been quite a few picks that we've talked about that have done quite well. Power, PWR, Captiva Verde, CPIVF is another one that I brought you guys that exploded. And I own shares in them, and I own shares in GRB. And I sold GRB, and then it went up even higher, and then I got back in. I have no idea. You got 25,000 shares. Wow. Really? You got 25,000 shares. Wow, good for you, bro. At what price? When did you get in? On Friday you got in? What do they do? So the symbol for pyrogenesis in America is PYRNF. PYRNF, for those of you guys that are watching. Here's the company. Pyrogenesis, PYRNF. $1.03 in America. Okay, Pyrogenesis Canada Inc. is the world leader in design, development, manufacture, and commercialization of advanced plasma processes. We provide engineering and manufacturing expertise, cutting-edge contract research, as well as turnkey process equipment packages to the defense, metallurgical, mining, additive manufacture, including 3D printing, oil and gas, and environmental industries. With a team of experienced engineers, scientists, and technicians working out of our Montreal office and our 3,800 manufacturing facility, Pyrogenesis maintains its competitive advantage by remaining at the forefront of technology development and commercialization. Our core competencies allow Pyrogenesis to lead the way in providing innovative plasma torches plasma waste processes, high temperature metallurgical processes, and engineering services to the global marketplace. Interesting. Pyrogenesis. It's been flying. It's good to see. Where can you send me the link? Send me the link to my email, richtvlive@gmail.com. And if anyone wants to join the training academy and learn how to make more money from home, from their phone, email me, guys. richtvlive@gmail.com. I'd love to work with you guys. Love to trade with you guys. Love to build with you guys. Peter's looking for people to join his team. Amanda's looking for people to join her team. And they're just sharing their knowledge of how to make money with people. It's pretty wild watching people like Amanda turn $500 into over 37 grand. It's pretty wild. You need General Fusion to IPO. YouTube won't allow to share a link? Yeah, you can share a link from YouTube. Oh my God. I just got a crazy email. I can't even share this with you guys. All I can say is GRB next week, guys, put it on full alert. I'm putting it on full alert right now. GRB, GEBRF, I'm putting it on full alert right now. In fact, I'm playing a song for everybody right now. We're putting on full alert. Actually, should we put on something different? Hold on. Let me think about this. Let me think about this. So GEB, guys, GEBRF, in my opinion, needs to go right now on full alert. Like everybody needs to put GEB, GEBRF on full alert. And if you like GEB, GEBRF, you need to also be aware of Power because it's the exact same guys, and Power is the next monster that they're going to work on. So, I mean, I can't tell you what to do, but I can at least make you guys aware of it. You know, I can take you to water, but I can't make you drink, right? All I can do is make you guys aware. And I mean, there's only one way to really explain it. This is the best way to explain it right here. G-E-B, G-E-B-R-F. Let's go.
I'm on the way up. Yeah. I'm on the wheel, need to get out of the way. You barely sip up, but you gotta watch me die right off of the stage. What you want me to say? I'm not your friend, wanna write you to play. I'm not afraid, keeping it true until I'm in the grave. Start at the age, I watch you both so I'm flipping the page. The chapter man is telling the ways. I ain't see shit cause I'm building a case. Your rules were paged, girl wanna lick so I give her a taste. All on the face, she go in the
Turn
kitchen,
your
she been in
account
the cage.
into a boat.
Goddamn, I'm the illest, yeah. Life bad, I'm finished, yeah. Hit the track for a souvenir. Heard the friends, so I'm on the red. Got them on, it's crystal clear. Big
Time
shot,
for
me
your
in this
account
bill. Big
to
shot, me in
10x.
this bill. I'm on the way. 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 I'm on the way.
Just like the Toronto Raptors rode a wave all the way to the NBA championship. We can ride this wave on G-E-B, G-E-B-R-F. Do you understand what's coming?
Beat it up, it's a daddy day. Seeing twins like Mary Kate. Knocking out, I'm a heavyweight. Electrifying, death defying, mesmerizing, never lying. Beat the pussy up, paralyze it. Hot shit like a desert island. Whoa, I'm in the air like an Air Force. I'm on the way like a surfboard. I don't bust my territory. Who got next? We getting bad for it. It's a new, you a new school. Cry me a river like boo. Grab your girl, I'll grab the homies. We gon' run the train, choo-choo. She a dog like Blue's Clues. Peace out with a deuce. Flame the wine, I'm bulletproof. Put the shit down, you don't wanna shoot. Little man, better be easy. It's slick, G-Easy. First slick, be Weezy. Moonwalk with it.
I've been gone way too long. Now I'm back. Oh, now I'm back. Now I'm back.
I'm on the way. 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 I'm on the way.
Ride the wave up.
I'm on the way.
GEBRF up 100% since Wednesday. It's true. And where'd you hear it first, Bill? Where'd you hear it first, my friend? Been gone way too long. Now I'm back. The bull's been gone, but it's back. It just takes one stock to turn your portfolio around. Just one. Just one. All it takes is one stock to turn your portfolio around. Just one. So, in my opinion, a golden goose. We found a golden goose thanks to Pete. Peter the Pip Eater brought us Greenbrier Capital Corp, a banger. Oh, you found out, Bill, about GEBRF on Rich TV? So, bro, why not take those winnings and invest in yourself and join the Academy? You can actually work directly with Pete, and he's going to be able to give you these picks first. All of our members knew about these picks way before I came public with it, just so you guys know. Just saying. Just letting you guys know. Members get access to all the picks first. Hold on one second. I'm going to put another song on for you guys. Hold on. Because my laptop's about to die, but I'm not ready to go yet. Not just yet. So let's find another one. Let's find another one for the good people of the world that are watching. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the show, smash the like button, please. If you like to smash the like button. If you have a pulse, smash the like button. It's true. Now, there's some songs on here that people really like, and there's some songs that people love. One of the most popular songs is Haters Look at Me Now. I enjoy playing this on occasion because it's important to, look back at where we've come from and where we're going. And right now, I think we're on a serious high level as far as results, which are speaking for themselves. You can clearly see that a lot of our picks are doing really well. And I believe that this is going to continue. I really do. I think it's going to continue. And I think we're in a zone. And we're going to continue to find winning picks, and we're going to tell you when to get in, and I'm going to let you know when I think is a good time to get out. And it's up to you guys to decide, what you do with that information. But like I said, I can take a horse to water, but I cannot force them to drink. Oh, wow. I got some breaking news. You guys ready? Oh, I got breaking news. Oh, my goodness. Hold on. First, let's just hear this song. I got breaking news. I got breaking news live on Rich TV Live. Get ready. Get ready.
You can just get off my cloud. You can just get off my cloud. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Henny in my cup, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamond stay dripping. I'm a white boy, nice whip with some nice moves. Bruce Lee smoking loose leaves. You swear I'm doing some kung fu. Got a trunk full of birds. Sit down, we playing duck goose. Yeah. I ain't beginning, I've been here before. Haters are mad, well, I even the score. I lay on the beach, take a peek at the shore. My wife is a diamond, you sleep with a whore. I'm on the reserve in my Chevy station, cooking the bitches so dirty that mean they good looking. And if you get caught, then you listen to me cooking. The recipe don't guess it has to be drinking. This is no kid and play, I got shit to say. I got homies in the CFL to the NBA, word and juice anyways. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Talking my shit. This a rocket shit. 3 seconds, I'm a blast off. Alpha Omega, see, I am the past, present, future, really no mask off. Fuck up a bitch, we getting rich. Yeah, you know my stack strong.
You ready? You ready?
Many trolls trying to take along. Blaze through, then I'm back again. I got the keys and you
I'm
can't
getting
get in.
breaking news sent to me.
I do not take it else,
From
so I just had to
Greenbrier.
win. I run with killers and shooters and savages. I do not listen to you. I do not miss off the kill. I'm in the midst of Peru. Make no mistake.
Who wants to hear it?
So they go fishing for you.
Who wants to hear it? I want to see more likes. If you want to hear it, I want to see some likes get smashed. Let's go. The likes look like this. Just smash it. Let's go smash it. All right. Here we go.
You can just get off my cloud. You can just get off my cloud. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now.
All right, we live. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, here's the breaking news, guys, from Greenbrier. We're literally breaking this news first before anyone in the world knows. Just so you guys know. Oh, wow. This is big. This is big. So this is the big news, guys. Literally, we just got confirmation directly from the CEO that we can break this news. Greenbrier to seek uplift to the NASDAQ global market. Woo! Yes! Yes! Peter just gave me the green light. Greenbrier to seek uplift to the NASDAQ global market. Greenbrier Capital Corp is pleased to announce that Greenbrier is seeking to obtain a full listing on the world-class NASDAQ Global Market Select. Conditions to list on the NASDAQ Global Market Select are a minimum US $4 share price. Oh my goodness. Ho, ho, ho. Woo! Oh my goodness. Do you guys see what this means? Let's see where they're priced in America. So Greenbrier right now is priced in America at $2.15. This means they need to go to $4 in America, at least $5 in Canada to qualify, which means there's still another 60% upside to 100% upside in this stock right now. This news is breaking news. You guys literally heard this before anyone else on the planet. Greenbrier is seeking to uplift to the NASDAQ, and this news is going to be put out, and we just broke this news before anyone else on the planet. And they need to go to a $4 share price in America to qualify, and they're at $2.15 in America, which means they need to go up about another 100% in America just to qualify to get on the NASDAQ. And do you think they're not going to do that based on what they've done so far? Does anybody here think that they're not going to do that based on what they've done so far? This is huge. So in order to qualify, you need a minimum $4 share price, at least US $4 million in net current assets, plus the appropriate registrations and exempt filings with the US Securities and Exchange Commissions. Greenbrier is currently conducting internal non-deal roadshows via conference calls with our own 53,000 investors and followers. The Greenbrier story is resonating with a broad spectrum of investors. Greenbrier is moving ahead to construct the sophisticated 160 megawatt by 80 megawatt Montalva solar project in Puerto Rico, which will become the largest solar facility in the Caribbean once completed. Wow. Greenbrier is very confident the project will expand to 320 megawatts by 160 megawatts in the very near future, which is double. They're expecting to double their megawatts. A sizable electrochemical storage facility as part of the solar field will enable 24/7 dispatch, which is unique in ultra-large scale solar generation facilities. Montalva will provide Puerto Rican citizens with lower cost, clean and reliable electricity and replace some of the current expensive and dirty oil generation. The company is proudly building the project with the China Machinery Engineering Corporation, CMEC, a leading world-class premier construction and engineering company, forming part of the USD 40 billion China National Machinery Industry Corporation, Sinomac group of companies. Oh my goodness, this news is going out and it's going to explode, guys. This is exploding on Monday, guys. Edward says stock symbol for Greenbrier in USA, GEBRF. Guys, I'm bringing you this news before anyone else in the world, eh? This news hasn't even been published. It's signed by the CEO. Greenbrier has been informed by its legal counsel they have been approved our project and contract this past Thursday, May 28th, and the contract has been present to the US FOMB, US Federal Oversight Management Board, for final approval. In 2018, the US FOMB already recommended Montalva to be deemed a critical project to rebuild Puerto Rico. So this is pretty much done. Montalva will provide over 900 construction jobs, an increased tax base, and hundreds of millions of dollars of private funds invested to rebuild a new and resilient electrical grid. Oh my goodness. Greenbrier is proud of this contribution and its existing 12-year nonstop commitment in Puerto Rico. Greenbrier is a leading developer of renewable energy and sustainable real estate with long-term, high-impact contracted sales agreements in key project locations and led by a successful, industry-recognized operating and development team. Greenbrier targets deep-valued assets directed at accretive shareholder value. Brilliant. Greenbrier and its advisors have closed over $180 billion in renewable energy projects since 2003 with previous companies. Woo! Nelly. I'm excited. Who's excited? Nobody else in the world got this news except for you guys that are watching. So congratulations for being here with me on a Saturday. Look at what you guys just got. Greenbrier is going to the NASDAQ. The stock has to be at least at $4 in America to qualify. It's at $2.15. You think it's not going to $4, which means the Canadian symbol has to go to at least $5, maybe even $6. And right now it's at $3. So that means we got a chance to go double, folks. We got a chance to go double. I just want to help you guys win, man. And all I ask is if you guys win, invest in yourself and join the Trading Academy and let's win as a team. Be my partner. Let's be partners. Let's work together. Let's build something. Let's build something. I like building things. I don't know. Just me. But that's just me. I can't believe I have the press release and I just read it before anyone else in the world. That's pretty cool. It's like a dream. I feel like I'm living in a dream, guys. And I'm a shareholder, so even better. So this is pretty wild. The Yash says, hey, Rich, ever hear of Thermal Energy International, TMG, on the TSXV? 13.65 million market cap. And if I remember correctly, turned 1.5 million profits last 6 months or so. Price about 8 cents. Wow, sounds pretty good. TMG. I'm always looking for picks, guys. Anything that can make us money. But does it have momentum or is it just dead? Right? That's also a big part of it for me. So, but this looks interesting. They need a little bit of power behind them, though. They need a little bit of a boost. They need a boost. All right, guys, listen, I'm going to go now. Thank you guys for sharing your picks. I shared you some of mine. You shared me some of yours. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a top 10 probably tomorrow. Top 10 picks for June 2020. So stay tuned to that. I'm thinking about putting that together tonight and what I'll put on that list. And what I'm looking forward to for Monday. Hey, Roger, thank you for being a member on YouTube. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate your support. It means a lot. Guys, I give you guys picks on YouTube, but you guys don't even watch them. These are just strictly for members. I do them every week. Take a look at those picks, guys. I got some good picks there for you guys. Okay, guys, I appreciate you guys. If you guys want more access to Rich TV Live, if you want more access to me, if you want direct access to me and my picks, all you got to do, guys, join our academy, guys. Email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. We got guys like Peter that are just killing it. You guys can trade with Peter. I can forward you his email. You guys can work directly with Peter and join his team. He's literally grown his account to over 6 figures, and I'm sure soon he'll be at 7 figures the way he's going. So if you would like to learn how to trade and turn small money into big money and learn how to trade Forex and the US 30 and gold and oil and other industries and how to make money up and down in the markets. And if you feel like you need more help, more training, more support, we can provide you that. It's an academy, it's a trading academy, okay? So imagine if your kids are in a soccer academy, or if you've ever been in an academy, a drama academy, anything, you're going to get better because it's practice, it's repetition, it's training. So it's the same thing with trading. If you're an investor, but you're not training yourself to get better, if you're not investing in yourself to get better, that extra $200 a month that you're investing in yourself could be making you an extra $200,000 a year, or maybe even more. So I think everybody should be investing in themselves. Thank you, Peter, for sharing your picks and sharing your information and being a great pace setter, both at trading and now with teaching and training and helping others within our team. And thank you, everyone who has joined the academy and everyone who has supported me here on YouTube, on Rich TV Live. I appreciate you guys for being here with me on a Saturday. We shared a lot of information. We shared a lot of picks. Sona is excellent, yes. They've done extremely well. Another one of the picks that I brought you guys under $1, that today is now over $2 and what, 80 cents now? So another one of the picks that we brought you guys on YouTube first. And I think they're a great company too. So stay tuned. I got more picks I'm working on. Also LXG, Lexigene, another one. They're seeking FDA approval. I did a video on them this week. I think they go way higher. I also think DN, Delta 9. I think that they're going to go way higher. I really like them as well. We've had them on our show. So stay tuned, guys. Lots of good companies, more coming. We also did First Majestic Silver. First Majestic Silver, guys. First Majestic Silver, symbol AG. We had them on our show. And since they were on the show, bam, up 7%. There they went. Up 7% on Friday, guys, just like that. And I brought you guys them. Unbelievable. We've been having a ridiculous week. Like literally everything I talked about went up. Unbelievable. Brought First Majestic Silver up and bam, they went up 7.52%. So literally everything I talked about. And First Majestic Silver in Canada is FR. Boom, 7% on Friday. So I brought you guys this pick. They went up. I told you guys they were my top silver stock. Boom, First Majestic Silver up 7% on Friday. A beast, absolute beast. And I brought them to you guys too. So just going back through all the picks that I talked about last week, literally every single pick that I talked about at one point or another exploded. And ALST, another one I brought you guys this week and had the CEO on the show. Stock was at 40 cents. Bam, went up 107% on Friday. I don't know what to say, guys, but I'm going to try to do that again next week. That's all I could say. Just doing a week in review right now. Happy that people are winning. Happy people are making money. But the real reason why I'm able to do this, guys, is because I'm part of a trading academy. I'm becoming a better trader. I'm developing and sharpening my sword. And I want to make sure that if I bring picks to the community, that people are going to win. Okay? Thank you, guys. Oh, we have a hater. Oh my goodness, look, we have a hater here. We have a hater who's entered the room trying to find one pick that's been a losing pick. Sad soul. Sad lost soul. Sad, sad, sad lost soul. Sad lost soul. Sad lost soul. Don't focus on all the winning picks, and every single pick I brought last week was a winner. Let's focus on one losing pick over the course of my lifetime. See, that's just really sad that people think like that. You know, let's not focus on the 90% of the winning picks that Rich has brought. Let's focus on the one loser or the two losers. So it's pretty sad that there's people out there like that. But unfortunately, when you're on YouTube, you're going to find a lot of degenerates and a lot of trolls and a lot of haters and a lot of lost souls that focus on the glass half empty as opposed to the glass being half full. I'm going to focus on the glass being overflowing because I focus on abundance. And the haters, they focus on hate. So what they really hate is themselves. So I feel for you guys. I pray for you guys. Good luck to you. Remember, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best because the best is blessed. And right now, Greenbrier, GEBRF, is absolutely a beast. It's on fire and they are blessed. Put on your watch list, put on your radar. And we going out on top. You ready? We got some original music for the people. You ready? Let's do it. Let us do it. guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. The resurrection is coming, so get ready. I told you, if you're not winning, you're not watching. It's true. Your boy brings you winners, and we bring them to you first. And get ready, because the cannabis stocks, they can explode. That's right, they're gonna explode.
Diversification is a protection against ignorance. I mean, if you want to make sure that nothing bad happens to you relative to the market, you know, and everything, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that is a perfectly sound approach for somebody who does not feel they know how to analyze businesses. If you know how to analyze businesses and value business, it's crazy going to Rich TV 40 stocks or 30 stocks. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Watch Rich TV. Rich like me.
Invest in companies and businesses that you can see still being successful 20 years from now. That's the Warren Buffett model. Invest in the best is blessed, and invest in companies that are going to be. You've identified the #1 pick. And if you've been buying Truly for the last 5 months and riding the wave, you're
was I talking
between
about
75 to
Truly
80%.
before they exploded? Oh yeah, that was me
So
too.
congratulations to everyone.
All right, guys, thank you guys for your picks. Have a great weekend. My top 10 are coming. Stay tuned. Oh, peace.
When will the Academy have a Canadian package?
What kind of question is that?
It's an American Academy. What do you mean, when will they have a Canadian package? It's an American Academy. It's in 120 countries. You make American money. I make American money in Canada. So if you can actually make money in American money, that's a huge, huge, huge benefit when you're Canadian. I'm making $2,000 a month residual in the Academy. US, that's $3,000 a month Canadian. That's my residual to build the business. So I'm going to continue to grow that. And I love the fact that I get paid in American funds. So I don't want them to have a Canadian package. I enjoy the American package as a Canadian because that means I make way more money because of the conversion in the dollar. So I look at things different. You might look at them like, oh, it's more expensive. But I'm looking at it like, well, I'm getting paid in US. I'm going to trade in US. I'm going to make US dollars, both through building the Academy and through trading. So that's my benefit. As a trader, you want to be able to make money and benefit and make that American dollar. So we don't want a Canadian package. We want the US package. If I don't have a US account to join, how do I get in? You don't need a US account to join. I'm in Canada. I don't have a US account. I have a US account, but you don't have to have a US account to join and to trade in Forex. You can transfer your Canadian funds into US funds. It's very simple. You just need to have a credit card. To join the Academy, all you need to have is a credit card. As long as you have a credit card, you can join the Academy. And you can trade, and you can learn, and you can win. So really, really simple. Love to trade with you guys. Love to win with you guys. Love to really help you guys 10x your game. And like I said, $200 is a small amount of money when you're really thinking about investing. Because most people, when they invest thousands of dollars. So if you're investing thousands of dollars and you're losing, ask yourself, what could you be doing differently? Well, maybe you need some training. Maybe you need some training. And that training can really help you make more money. And I know it's helped me. And even though I've been trading for years, I wasn't too big to learn. I was willing to learn, and it's helped me a lot. So like I said, everybody's different, but if you're willing to learn, you'll probably be earning more as well. M. DZ says, if you choose Canadian over US, you are dumb. Well, yeah, obviously the US is worth more. And the US is also circulated more all over the world. So the US is the most circulated currency in the world. So everybody accepts the US dollar. So I like the US dollar. As a Canadian, I like getting paid in US. Okay, guys, I got to go. I'm out. Peace. It was a good week. Let's have a better week next week. And I think it starts with Greenbrier, GEB, GEBRF. Stay tuned. And Power, Captiva Verde, PWR, CPIVF in America. Richard says, I lost $4K in fees on 17 trades past 2 months because US bank charged me 3.8% to convert Canadian to US for each trade. I'm a noob. Yeah, you got to figure out a better system. Yeah, Tim, I know. I saw you. You passed me that pick. I took a look at it. Some big movements, but I'm not a huge fan of penny stocks, right? I'll buy them here and there, but it's not my favorite. I'd much rather buy a company like First Majestic Silver that goes up 7%. Beautiful, beautiful company. All right, guys. Peace.